saw that it was good. Then God said, let us make human being in our own image and likeness. So God created Adam. God created Adam. This is the first man God created on earth. Adam was so happy living in the place where God has created him. And God said, it is not good for a man to be alone. So when Adam was in deep sleep, God took one of his rib and made a woman named Eve. And Eve and Adam, they began to live. They were so happy with each other. The bone of my bone, the flesh of my flesh. And they were so happy. They were so happy with the animals and all the creation. In the midnight, Eve got up and he was walking around in the garden alone. He was wandering in the garden. At that time, the most cunning animal, that is the serpent, came to tempt Eve. Any fruit? And Eve replied, God told us that we can eat from any of the tree, but not from the middle of the tree. Then the snake replied, God is cheating you. If you eat the fruit, you'll become wise like God. So you take the fruit and eat. And the snake went away. Then the fruit in the eyes of Eve, it became more beautiful. So Eve plucked it and ate. And meantime, Adam was also already awake and was walking around in the garden. Then Eve gave to Adam, and Adam also ate the fruit. Then at that moment, they realized that they were naked. Then God spoke to them. Adam, Adam, where are you? Then Adam replied, Mother, I heard your voice in the garden and I was afraid. Then God replied, have you eaten the fruit which I have told you not to eat? Yes, Mother, the lady whom you gave, the woman whom you gave me and I ate. Curse them you. From today on, you shall not live anymore in this garden. And God chased them away from the garden. So Adam and Eve went away from the garden. Kata, tata, bye bye. Next episode is coming soon.